So next one, organizer. So organizer is the role of the capitalist, the financer, and the entrepreneurs as an organizer. So you are going to do these jobs. You're going to combine and utilize resources. So your resources indicate land, labor, capital, machines, room, furnitures. Anything is going to be a capital which you are going to use it for your business. It is going to be combining and utilizing resources, production. With that, you're going to produce something. It can be value addition, it can be knowledge addition, it can be a real product. Then you are going to market the product, you're going to sell it, or you're going to resell it into the market. Then you are going to pay your employees, you're going to pay your interest on loans, whatever you have got, you're going to pay your rent, you're going to pay the wages, you're going to pay the electricity bill. So everything comes under paying. And finally, when you subtract uh, everything, you will be getting profit or loss. So this cycle repeats again and again. So you have to be very clear on the distinction of the role between the financer and an organizer. Financer means only you are going to see what is the profit loss account, but organizer means you are going to take care of everything end to end, starting from the resources what you have till the resources are used for production. So this cycle starting from combining and utilizing resources, production, product, paying, profit. The financier will look only at profit and paying, but an organizer has to take care of the complete end-to-end process of converting your resources into reliable products for the consumers. So that is the second dimension of entrepreneurs. The first one is risk bearer. As you have seen, when you buy and resell any product, the market conditions cannot clearly say what price you're going to sell. So immediately when a product comes into the market, nobody will buy it immediately at one shot. They will see how the product is going and then only they will buy, right? So there is always a risk associated with organizer. Organizer means he takes end-to-end care to ensure that the results are converted into profit at the end of a cycle. Okay, this is organizer.